Heartland Greystone 32 Rs for sale in Green Bay, Wisconsin 54311. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2013 Heartland Greystone 32 Rs. This luxury fifth wheel is 37 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 4 guests. It has been outfitted with 3 slide-outs and 1 awning, as well as leveling system. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal abuse, which has enabled its clean condition. This 2013 Heartland Greystone 32 Rs is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include solid Counter TopsThree Burner Stove / OvenMicrowaveRefrigerator / FreezerDouble kitchen SinkDinette with chair SeatingElectric FireplaceTwo flat screen TelevisionsSurround SoundDVD / CD / StereoL-Shape CouchTwo ReclinersResidential size stove / ShowerWasher / dryer HookupsMaster king size BedMaster closet / DresserOutside ShowerExtra 10-gallon water heater and much more. This 2013 Heartland Greystone 32 Rs is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2013 Heartland Greystone 32 Rs fifth wheel can be yours.